Hello crafting friends, welcome to my podcast. My name is Barbara Radzevicius and I'm Bondi Crafter. And this is the 18th of October and I'm doing Vlogtober. Welcome. It's the 18th of October today. We're going to IKEA and there's weather that's facing west, so I don't think it's to the mountains. It may be to Katoomba, but right along the Sydney Basin, heavy clouds, rain, and it has been cool in the mornings too. It was 12 degrees C at about 5 o'clock and it is mid-spring, so rather cool. I'm wondering if it's going to rain before we get home. There are these heavy clouds all the way around, so probably. Yeah. Today we went to IKEA. We had a morning spare and IKEA is a fun place to go. And so I hope you enjoy having a look around IKEA Tempe, which is near the airport here in Sydney. It's a great place to go. I love going there. And yeah, I took a fair bit of video, so that was, you know how it is with IKEA and exercise. You get it all in one go. You get to see all the beautiful settings that they've done, like they set up rooms that, you know, so you can see how the furniture looks. There's always it's always changing, so, you know, every time I go there it's different. And when I walked in the door this morning, there was a setting with frames hanging from the ceiling where you could have a photo taken that said take a seat and have your photo done. So I did. That was cool. So yeah, I love going there. I'll show you what I bought. I'm home now. And I bought mainly gifts for friends, so I did buy a couple of things for myself. Firstly, I bought the IKEA bag, which was $2. I love it. It's nice and strong and it'll go in my purse. And then I bought this phone chair. So instead of having my phone propped up against the toaster or something, I just sit it in this little chair. And John took a video and some photos of it, and I'll show you how this works. And then, this is still for myself, I bought some hooks. I bought one packet of this. I think they're about $3. They are to hang my broom on the side of the cupboard. I think they're really nice. I've got white cupboards and these are very nice feeling metal. And so I'm going to hang it right at the top of the cupboard and hang the broom on it because the broom is always falling sideways into the oven. Which I know sounds a bit dodgy, but yeah, it is. So yeah, bought the little hooks to hang it up. And then I found a bargain. I love these rice bowls. They're black and there's 4 of them for $12, which is about $6 US. So this is a fab gift. I think somebody will really like rice bowls or spaghetti bowl, lasagna, anything, you know. It's perfect. And then the other gift I bought, there's 3 things to this gift. This is for one person that I know will like them very much. They collect antique glass ornaments. And these are from Sweden, so I thought, yeah, they will really love them. And then there is a decorating kit. And I love tins, but I know my friend loves tins too, so a beautiful Scandinavian scene on the side of the tin. think it's lovely, and it's full of gingerbread. So, lovely gifts. I think they're lovely gifts. And yeah, that's about all I did. And the weather changed, came out sunny. I knew it would. John put some money in my PayPal so that I could get a few more skeins of wool. Can't wait for them to come. They're from a dyer called Skein Yarns up near Coffs Harbour in New South Wales. I used to live up near there. And she dyes the wool, and it's so beautiful. I don't know whether she spins it or has it spun, but it is so beautiful, and I'll show you when I get it. I've made 2 purchases. So they're dyed to order, so she only does batches to order. And the last one that I did today was with some, I call it lumpy yarn. Obviously it's not lumpy yarn. I think it's DK, and it's, you know, it's escaped me what it is. I have to wait until it comes, but it is beautiful. I know one is mustard, and I've forgotten what you call lumpy wool. You know, when it's spun and you end up with uneven bits in it. It's so lovely. And so I'm going to make some scarves with them. I think one skein is enough to make a shawl with another yarn. So it should be perfect. And yeah, that's what I've done today. So I hope you enjoy a look around IKEA. Let me know what you think about shopping, walking, exercise. I know when you walk around IKEA, it is about 2 kilometres of, at least it's flat. And there's a lot of interesting things to see on the way, but yeah, let me know. Let me know if you even like this type of video. But it is a vlog, so out and about. Okay, so that's it for me, friends. I will show you how the little chair works, and there is a short video of Kitty at the end. Kitty sends her love too. Bye, friends. That's me signing off for today. We are at our favourite Swedish furniture shop. I love how IKEA sets up little tiny rooms like this one. It does say step in. Isn't that lovely? So we are looking for cupboards that are about that high. There are some that are 2. And some that are, they all look to be 2, and then they have a glass cabinet that is separate on top, which is nifty. It's a lovely room, my favourite colours with a pop of orange. Is that lovely? Nice little lamp too. Calyx is always handy. Good price too. There's 4 in it for $1.19, and then you have to pay for the inserts and drawers. It is a lovely lamp. Love how these bookshelves are arranged, and I love black shelves. It's a very nice study. This is a nifty rolling pin idea. You could just have any pattern you liked on there, you could just make your own. Nifty. Here's the home bar. This bar is 12 metres. That can't be right. 12 metres square. Nice colour. Kitchen. Is that beautiful? There's a butler's pantry.
It's a fridge.
It is. Nice sink and everything. A black sink. John likes it. So interesting. Look at all the different arrangements and things you can get. That is perfect for a tiny house or something. So nice. I love how they've set it out. All the different hoods, exhaust fans, stoves. There is everything you want at IKEA. It is the perfect place to shop. I love this island. It's freestanding and you can take it with you. So great. And that's how much it is. It's great. Love it. It's got shelves under. Wow, and it's got a hanging thing. How great. On the other side, there's stools. It's beautiful. These wardrobe systems are beautiful. Look at that. All the different configurations you can have. That's a nice one with drawers. It's like a skeleton wardrobe. It's great. I love shoe cabinets. Get this one, and they're narrow. This is a nice one. It's got a drawing top. Place for sneakers. Another place for sneakers. $279. That'd be nice in a hallway. That one's smaller. And not so much difference in price. Also a nice shoe cabinet. Such a good price. This is such a neat place to come and watch planes come and land. Clouds. So in Swedish, hello must be hoj or something, H-E-J. I know in Finnish it's moi. This could be the same sound. But yeah, interesting. So we're home, it's 1 o'clock and there is hardly any clouds left in the sky. They've all blown up the, I'd say, up the mountainside of Sydney. So there is a bit of a breeze. And so somebody's going to get a lot of rain today, not us. We're now home. I'll show you when we get upstairs the interesting stuff we got in that striped bag from IKEA. I recently bought a couple of caps and they're too big. So I decided to do some gathering stitches on the seam lines to make the crown not so deep. I've done one and now John is doing this other one just in a different sort of a pattern, and he's going through the all the layers. There's a Japanese type design. This is the brown one that I did. The stitches don't go through to the back, but you can see how it looks. John is more careful than I am. But yeah, I'm thinking that they will fit much better now. I'll show you. So this is how it looks now that this isn't so deep. It used to be about quite twice that size, but now I can see. And I'm thinking, that's quite okay. Here is the back of the hat, how it looks. So you see it has that Japanese type divide at the back. Yeah. And side view, I think it looks okay. Thoughts?